Alright guys, so if you want to get a cheaper AT&T plan for your internet, like what are the things you can do? So the first thing that you can do is that you can call the retention department and say that you would like to, cancel and to request like promotional pricing. So you can also switch to lower a speed. This is like another thing for you to try. Like I don't know how much you're paying. And you can also bundle it with AT&T wireless for like 20% off. And of course is that you want to enable autopay with a bank account to an extra like $10-15 a month discount. So this is something like very important. Now what you can do is that you can call the loyalty retention department and you want to ask for loyalty to discuss better rates as they have access to discounts not available to standard customer. So that's something that you can also do. And also you want to check current new customer offers at your address, and sometimes calling and requesting the new user rate, or in extreme cases like canceling and having partners sign up, can secure a lower rate that, let's say, your wife or your husband would sign up like and you would like cancel. So if there is like some good offer, so this is something that you can actually do. I hope this video provided you a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.